Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will be making this yummy and delicious Singapore noodles. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. For my OGs, thank you. And for my new subscribers, I say thank you. You will love it here. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. These are all the ingredients I'll be using today: coconut oil, onions, sausage, shrimps. Then I have bell peppers, carrot, and then fresh pepper. In a clean pan, I'll be adding some coconut oil. Allow that to hot, and then I'll add my sliced onions, and I will add curry powder, and then fry this for a few seconds, and then I will add the next ingredient. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and give this video a good comment. Now I'll be adding some Maggi, and then I'll go ahead to add some scotch bonnet pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate, and then go ahead to stir this up and fry again for another seconds. Now I'll be adding my fried shrimps. I fried this off the camera. You can go ahead to add it fresh, but for me, I decided to fry this first to have another flavor. Now I'll be adding the sliced sausage. If you know you don't have sausage, you can still go ahead to prepare this food. Now I'll be adding sliced carrot. Now I will give everything a good stir. Guys, this meal was so delicious and was so yummy. I hope you will be trying this out. After stir frying this for some minutes, I will show you the next thing to do. At this point, I will be adding all the bell pepper, green, yellow, and red. Can you see how colorful this meal is going to be? Then I will go ahead to add some extra onions. I added garlic and ginger paste. That is very optional. And then I'll give everything a good stir. I also went ahead to add some water into it just to loosen it up, and then allow this to cook for few minutes, and then I will set this aside. Next, I will be cooking the Singapore noodles. In a clean pot, I added already boiled water. Note, I didn't on the gas cooker. So now this is the noodles I'll be using. I will go ahead to add the noodles into the boiled water. Now you are not going to cook this Singapore noodle. Just go ahead to stir this up. Allow it to soak inside the boiled water for 2 to 3 minutes. Please, when you are doing this, don't move an inch, okay, in order for it not to over soak. Now, after 2 to 3 minutes, I took it off the water. I will be adding it into the cooked sauce. Now, I added soy sauce into this. Next, I will be adding the light soy sauce. I will be adding dark soy sauce. I will be adding oyster sauce as well. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now I'll be adding the remaining coconut oil, and thereafter I will go ahead to stir everything up. This was one of Hilda Baci's recipe for the class that was held early this year. To add a finishing touch to this, I'll go ahead to add some spring onions, and then I will stir this up. Guys, this recipe was so delicious. This was so yummy that I ate 2 plates. Afterward, I'll go ahead to dish some into my plate and then demolish it. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my videos. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe, And if you do, please don't forget to tag me. Do you see how colorful these noodles are? All the colors. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.